Before we get started with this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button. So you're going to go to TikTok trend. They have everything for you. They have whatever you need, the categories, travel, lifestyle, people, dance, cooking, whatever you're into, they have all that stuff to where you can click on and they'll tell you what's viral, what's not. They have the all you tools, the best times, hashtags, and this is basically the places you can go to that are trending, different songs, different videos, things of that nature. And that's really good to get into because a lot of stuff we don't know. You can click on the people, and that's like I'm saying, I'm just scrolling just so you guys can get an idea of what's going on. And then I'm going to scroll back up to the top as soon as my computer catches up with us. We're going to actually click on the icon and take it off and click it back on. We're going to push the plus. That's when you can like hear what the music is, but we're not going to do that for copyright reasons. You're going to click on that. You're going to click on TikTok. Once you click on that, that's going to give you an idea of everything in that category and what people ideas they came up with that dance or with that music or vice versa. You have viral today, high opportunities, YouTube shorts if you have business ideas, green shot, shoots, mediums, longs, just different varieties of stuff. Whatever you're into, trust me, it's on here, and whatever you want to have an idea for, it's going to be trending. This is the best time. It's going to tell you when you can post because, you know, they have up times and down times. It's probably when people's getting off work. Hashtags. Pick a few things that you think are going to be cool, and then it's going to give you a broader idea of what you can actually hashtag, because a lot of us really don't know. We just think of something, but we really not knowing what's trending right now. So I just gonna pick a few, and then after that we're gonna press generate, and those are all that you can pick all of them if you want to, but I'm not gonna pick all of them. I'm just gonna pick 3 or 4 of them. You're gonna push copy, and then you're gonna go back. If you want to click it on TikTok, you can lock it on TikTok. If you're going to put it on YouTube, if you're connected, you can put it on YouTube and things like that. So if you want more videos like this, I have a lot. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. Most of all, hit that subscribe button.